From the top, make it drop. Oh my god, that's so... Oh my god, he stopped it! What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, I finally bought myself, okay, this one's dying, don't pay attention to this guy. Just tuck him in there. I bought myself flowers yesterday. Look at that one! This is, I should put some milk in this. He needs some milk! Oh, who's that? Honolulu, Jesus Christ. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I've had so much fun posting on YouTube consistently. Oh my gosh, guys. What the heck? Consistency? I don't know why. My life is... It's just my life. Dude, 2021. 2021 is literally in like... Today's video is going to be super fun, but before we get into this video, I am so stoked to share with you guys today's sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by Dell. You guys, Christmas is literally right around the corner. If I looked to my left, that's probably Christmas. This right here is the Dell XPS 13. This laptop is so lightweight compared to my previous laptop. Guys, I could literally hold this laptop with 2 fingers, no problem. I'm holding this laptop with 2 fingers. There is a 13-inch screen. Look at this screen. Look at how big that screen is. Super long battery life, super long. With up to 18 hours and 49 minutes of battery life. Still working, baby. No joke, I have not charged this laptop in 3 days. I've taken it to a coffee shop, I've taken it to go work. It's not even halfway drained. It's like literally not even 75% drained. My favorite part about these laptops is that they're recycle friendly. 90% of the laptop's parts can be easily recycled and reused. This laptop features the 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, premium design, incredible durability. Guys, honestly, this laptop, it really is extremely light. And if you're looking for a laptop that's perfect for college or work on the go, if you love to work at like coffee shops, stuff like that, this laptop feels so much more convenient to me. It's like inspiring me to take it everywhere. Because this laptop is so light and easy to just like bop around with, I thought I would show you guys how I use it and take you on a little work day at the beach. So let's go to the beach. All right, people. Guys, it is so hot outside. I'm so glad I brought a bikini. I wasn't gonna bring a bikini because, you know, it's December, it's Christmas, but I hate to say it. I hate to say it, I really do. I don't know who this man is. It's freaking hot. It's hotter than a rat's cooter out here. It is hotter than a devil's popsicle. It's hot. It's Teen Beach Movie weather. It's aquamarine weather. It is H2O weather. Claire, Ema, it's that kind of weather. I feel like when you're on the beach and you're alone, you're inspired to like get creative. Maybe I'll write like a novel. Let's write a fan fiction.
Come over.
Give me 2 people to write a fanfic about.
Jeremy and Andrew.
Okay, bet. It was dawn when I turned to my left and saw Andrew sleepily bat his eyes open, his bodacious brown eyes open. POV, Jeremy. I never thought I'd fall in love with my best friend. Squad! But here we were, alone together at the Riviera residence. No one can know about this, not a soul. It would ruin everything. I quickly snuck into Brent's room and used his Axe body spray and a little bit of his hair pomade. His towels smelt like stinky feet, which they do. And I hoped he wouldn't recognize the smell during our day of filming. I crept down to the kitchen where Ben and Brent were waiting for me. Andrew slipped into the kitchen a few moments behind. I think I love him. End of chapter 1. Oh my God, there's a dude walking. You guys, this laptop, I just love like taking it. Look at how light it is. I think I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. Good morning, guys! I am about to road trip to Big Sur with Pierson. As you can clearly see behind me, I decorated for Christmas. To be honest, I wasn't going to decorate for Christmas this year. I don't want to be like, you know, without the Christmas spirit. But this year, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but like I've been lacking that like Christmas, I've just been lacking that Christmas joy. I don't know, maybe it's just because of coronavirus, but like when you're not allowed to like go ice skating, something inside me is just lacking excitement. But I did decorate though. I don't have a fireplace, so I put them just on my cabinets. That's on 5 years of DIY tutorials. Today is not about my Christmas decorations. Today is about I'm about to head on a journey. When we were originally planning on going camping, I was gonna be taking like sweatpants, headlamp, like the whole thing. But now that we have an Airbnb, I'm like, what do I wear? Do I bring makeup? I don't know. I'm stressed now. I'm on the road to Pierson's, but I am so hungry. I had like a waffle for breakfast. It is now 4:33, and that is not how I need to be living my life. So I'm gonna make a little pit stop to Chipotle.
Oh my God, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
I'm just gonna eat it on the way to Pierson's house. So hopefully we make it. There she is, the woman of the hour.
Where we going? What we doing?
Potty all night.
Where we going? What we doing?
I'm here with Pierson.
Yo! Hold for car. Hold for second car.
Hold for third car. And we're clear.
good.
First of all, Pierson drove all night to get to the wilderness. I thought you were gonna get tired.
I thought you were gonna sleep and I was
No.
gonna crash the car.
No. I was
You're right.
DJing.
Yeah, she was DJing and she killed that.
I thought we were gonna die, but we didn't.
Really?
Yeah,
Am I a
did.
bad driver?
Started drifting a little bit. I was like, we're currently on the side of the highway. If you turn to the left, there's a deathly drop. I'm gonna like just
so I'm
kind of.
just gonna, you know, give you.
Oh my God, Pierson! What the f? We are currently surviving in the wilderness for 24 hours. We were really gonna be roughing it a lot harder.
Yeah.
Basically, we couldn't get a campsite last minute.
I thought it was gonna be 16 degrees and I was like, yo, we
Pierson-
might freeze to.
Pierson checks the weather report. Her weather app is on Celsius. We're in America, Pierson.
I don't know. I was like, it's gonna be freezing, Ava. We're not gonna be able to survive.
This is the land of the free.
I know.
In Fahrenheit. This is the land of the
really-
F's. Pearson checks the weather app, sees that it's 16 degrees Celsius, thinks that it's Fahrenheit, and packs for the snow. I thought you were smarter than that.
I am sometimes.
Nonetheless, we are still going to be roughing it as much as possible. We're gonna be building some fires. We're gonna be trekking through the forest. We're gonna be doing some hikes. None of us brought appropriate footwear.
We're
as
in
you can
Vans
see.
and Air Force Ones.
We are not prepared. And we're gonna document it and see if Pierson and I kill each other by the end of this trip.
We
But
probably will. But you know, watch till the end to make. Did you just throw your hair in my face?
no, not on the edge of a cliff, not on the Yeah. Oh my God, here they come. From the top, make it drop. Oh my God, he stopped it! What the fuck? Oh! He looked at me, he was like,
Wait, he's still. Yo,
what if he turns?
why is he going so slow? Yo.
When we were gonna stay in the woods, I was thinking the predators would be like bears, wolves, not creepy men in camper vans.
Yeah. I don't feel safe anymore.
What's our next order of business?
I'm really cold. Maybe we should like do fire or something soon.
Well, we have to
feel these.
Oh no.
A few moments later.
Did I just hear you have to pee?
Where do I go, Ava?
Oh my God, he's peeing! Just go pee somewhere. If you're a real survivalist, you'll pee right here. Oh my God, no. I'll go pee right in that corner. Watch me.
And I'll bring the camera.
So everyone can know I'm a wilderness explorer. This beautiful, magical sunset is happening right now, and I have to pee so bad.
I'll go pee right in that corner so everyone can know I'm a wilderness explorer.
The squad is behind me. I don't know how far behind they are, and I'm trying to. What? I have to pee! They've given me the go-ahead to go pee. But guys, look at this. How crazy. And look at this little rock area. So I'm gonna find a place to pee before they get here. Wish me luck. I'm out here peeing in the wilderness. Pierson is taking Instagram photos.
I'm just dancing with the breeze.
The sun is setting, it's night one. It's getting colder.
I don't know how we're gonna survive the night.
I don't know how we're gonna survive. I know a bunch of wilderness survival tips. Like my dream is honestly to be on Survivor.
Same.
Do they still make that show?
Yeah, we should audition.
As a team?
Yeah, but
Oh my
pretend
God.
like we don't know each other.
Hate each other. We hate each other. Well, you know, you build the stories that they take you. Those
How
focus.
about the fact that we have the same boyfriend? They would love that.
I'm out here using my survivor skills to make a speaker, a cup inside the phone, or wait, a phone inside.
2 girls, 1 cup.
So if you're ever in the wilderness and you need someone to find you and you have a phone,
Do not call for help. Use it as a speaker device.
to lure in nearby people. That is exactly where I peed.
I thought we would build a fire by now.
We got the firewood in your car.
You mean the ones that we chopped down because we're surviving? We chopped it down with our bare hands.
Karate style.
With the wood that we chopped down.
We are going to use that for firewood tonight.
Come on, I just need a little spark.
Okay, so we're deep in the wilderness right now. We've been out all night fighting bears. And
Fighting for our lives.
we have been stressing. This is where we slept last night and I woke up moldy.
Come on, I think I see a spark. We're definitely not near civilization whatsoever.
No. Focus back over here.
No, we're
Okay, Pierson, gather your things. Let's go find some better shelter.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Okay, so the only way to get to some clean food and shelter is across the river.
Yep.
We are about to cross it. We've got our bare feet and we're gonna do this. Apparently it's really cold. Pierson already tried and she didn't make it across.
It was painful. Is this worth $25? Really cold.
100.
Not even kidding.
It can't be that bad.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Just come on.
It's not cold though.
You know what? I envy you.
I am the ultimate survivalist. I was trying to make everything as scary looking as possible. Rushing water.
I have to pee.
What did you just say?
I have to pee.
Pierson, you say you're such a wilderness explorer.
I am.
If you're such a wilderness explorer, go pee in the woods.
Fine.
Go pee in the
You know what?
wilderness.
I will. Hold this.
Oh, I can't see. She couldn't even cross the river and she's about to go pee in the forest.
Don't film this.
She's not gonna go pee in the forest. She's gonna find a bathroom.
I'm done.
You did not just go pee in the forest.
Where else am I gonna go?
Show me the pee. Did you go
Because I
1 or
will.
2?
I went 2, but I didn't want to tell them. No, I just went number 1. I don't want people to think that I poo, because that would be disgusting.
Pierson just scared away an entire pack of cows.
Whoa.
The cows were literally right here, and now I can't even see them.
It's okay, you've got one right here.
Don't disrespect yourself. You're beautiful, Pierson. All right, Pierson, it seems like we've survived the wilderness together. How do you feel?
I feel like I could rule the world.
I feel like our bond is stronger than ever.
Yeah, it's never been stronger.
Thank you for surviving with me. I know we didn't rough it as much as we could have.
We should though.
We should go do this again, like actually camping. Let me know in the comments down below if you want Pierson and I to actually go survive in the like Appalachian wilderness. And yeah, let's go home.
Yeah.
Let's take a warm bath. I haven't showered in 2 days.
Like-
All right, guys, that is it for this week's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's get this video to 100,000 likes because for me and Pierson's friendship, each like is another day that just keeps the friendship fueled. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next week for another video on Christmas Day. Pretty sure I'm uploading on Christmas Day, so be there, be square. And if I didn't say it already, I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta.